Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we are doing another Leaky Cup pour, and this is a tool from Massey Art Studio. And if you didn't see my earlier video on this, I'll make sure to link it down below. But I'm doing this one today as a clean pour, meaning I'm going to pour the colors in here one at a time, as opposed to pouring them in a cup and then putting them in here. So for today, I'm actually going with some kind of peacock colors. So I'll be using some blues, some greens, little turquoise, purple, and some gold. So this is the turquoise. And I thought instead of just using regular purple, it'd be fun to use a little bit of the amethyst as well as the royal purple. So the royal purple is just a little bit darker. There we go. And I'm also going to be using a little bit of the chocolate magic. Peacocks they aren't actually more gold than like a metallic brown. So I thought that would go a little bit better. So as you can see, I'm just pouring the colors in here one at a time, and I'm going to speed this part up because I'm going to just continue doing this until I'm happy with my design and I have enough paint on the canvas. Okay, I think that is plenty, and I'm really excited about this. It looks really pretty. So now we're going to go ahead and spin. And there you have it, folks. I think that is gorgeous. So there's my peacock colored clean pour. I think I want to try these same colors as a dirty pour, but for right now, I'm very happy with this. So I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. So as you can see, this tool really gives you this flower pattern. That's very awesome. And the colors stay more separate because I did them as a clean pour. When you do them as a dirty pour, they tend to blend together a little bit more. So it's all just a matter of personal preference, what kind of design you like. I think personally in general, I prefer the dirty pour look, but this is still very pretty. So check out the Leaky Cup on the Massey Art Studio website. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.